kitchen helper ever, second best kitchen helper ever, fourth best kitchen helper ever. Sorry, you're still fourth. We gotta go check on third though. And third best kitchen helper ever. Nothing's on and you're already hiding. All right, you hide in here. We're gonna get some stuff ready. Welcome back to Snow Dogs Cooking, where if I can cook it, I should say we can cook it, so can you. Today, we are making lemon spaghetti because it's like this summery, fun, flavorful thing. Now you can make this and you can put shrimp on it or chicken on it or nothing on it and just have it as spaghetti. We're gonna show you how we make it. We put shrimp on it and it's really, really, really good. This is like the third or fourth time we've made this, so we figured we should probably show you guys how to make it. It's also way easier than you think it's going to be. All right, Jamie's already prepping some of the ingredients. Good job, hon. So we are going to need 8 ounces of noodles. We are using fettuccine noodles. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, which is what Jamie is working on right now. You're gonna need some garlic, or my favorite, jarlic. You will need about a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and you want real Parmesan, like the block style Parmesan. I know you have to grate it on your own, but trust me, this actually makes the recipe work. After Jamie's done zesting this lemon, we are also going to need 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, so we will be using that as well. You're gonna need some salt and pepper, and then as I said, we are actually topping ours with shrimp. So I can show you how we're gonna do that as well.
And you should always wash your lemons before you zest them.
Yeah, because you don't want all that, like, do you think they paint lemons?
Don't say that. I don't know.
Now you're thinking about it. I mean, they put wax on apples.
Yeah.
No, I don't think they paint lemons. I just thought it was funny. But yes, always make sure to wash them before you zest them because you don't want any of that, pesticide-y stuff in there. So while we're preparing the lemon zest and the lemon juice, we're going to go ahead and get our water boiling. So for 8 ounces of pasta, you should use about 7 cups of water. All right. We're going to use our awesome juicer. This thing is so easy. We're going to take and juice a lemon. Dun, 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 dun. It kind of shoots the seeds in there. We'll pull them out of there, though. So we need, like I said, 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. While Jamie's doing that, I am peeling all of our shrimp, which apparently I bought colossal shrimps, so they're big, but that's okay. All right, so we have the shrimp rinsed and peeled. We'll come back to this in just a second. I have about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice here, so we're going to also set that aside. And now the fun part. We're going to grate the Parmesan cheese. And the reason you want to use freshly grated, not the stuff in the bag, is the stuff in the bag has like a coating on it, so it doesn't melt properly. So that's the real reason you want to do it like this. Beautiful. Smells like cheese. We have our Parmesan cheese. We did a little bit more than a half a cup because we want some extra for topping, but we also have to pay the cheese tax. So, cheese tax? Time to pay the cheese tax? Okay. Watch this. I'm going to give it to Eleanor before Memphis. Memphis is like, wait a minute. No, that's not the rules, Mom. The rules is to Memphis first. Okay, here you go. Sorry, Eleanor. You had to wait. You can have this pinch of cheese. Oh, or just, okay. That works too. Now I have to wash my hands before I get it for Kira. Cheese tax for Kira. That's Kira's. You let her have that. Good stuff? That's what we're working with in there. All right. Back to the kitchen. Our water is boiling, which means we can put our pasta in. Now for this recipe, your pasta needs to be al dente, or however they say it. Not fully cooked, but almost fully cooked. Like that. Usually on the side of your box, it's going to tell you exactly how long to cook it, so follow the directions on the side of your box for how long to cook your pasta. Into the water it goes. If I can get it out of the box. Always make sure to stir it a little bit so it doesn't stick together. Otherwise, it'll stick together. That's no good. Now, as I said, you don't have to use meat. We are using shrimp to top this. I am just going to cook these shrimps in the air fryer. So what I usually do is take a little bit of olive oil, drizzle it in the bowl, stir them around a little bit. Now we're going to add our seasoning. For this, because this is a nice lemony dish, I don't know how many of you have ever used this, but we're using sumac. We've done this quite a few times and it's really, really good. So we use a little bit of this and a little bit of pepper, and that's pretty much all we put on it. But this has like a citrusy, almost lemony flavor to it. If you've never tried it, it's really, really good. And we're just gonna shake it in there. It's also that color in case you were wondering. In a little bit of pepper as well. Stir it around, it's gonna look like that. Put it in your air fryer. So we're gonna put them on our baking sheet for our air fryer. I have an oven style air fryer. You can also use a basket style. And we're gonna put them in there for 6 minutes at 400 degrees. And there they go. Now we're gonna take a skillet big enough to put your noodles in it when it's done. And we're gonna add those 4 tablespoons of butter. I cut them up a little bit to help them melt easier. We're gonna add them into this pan. You wanna heat this butter until it gets a little foamy, so kind of on like a medium heat. All right, see how this is just starting to get foamy? That's what you're looking for. Our noodles are done. We're gonna drain these real quick. Now we're not gonna rinse these, and you want to save the pasta water. So I have a little bowl underneath there that the pasta water is going into. And we're gonna let those sit right there until we're ready for them. To our bubbling butter, we're gonna add garlic. How much? I don't know, 2 cloves, some garlic. Measure it with your heart, you know, about that much. Those 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, we're gonna throw that in here as well. All right, so once you can start smelling that garlic and a little bit of that lemon, we're gonna add everything else. Right now, we're gonna add about half of our lemon juice and about half of the cheese. I'm gonna get this melted down real good. And we're gonna add, slowly, about half a cup of the pasta water. That's gonna help thicken things up. We're gonna add the noodles. Ooh, I almost made a mess. Who am I kidding? I already made a mess. So we're gonna stir the noodles around in this a little bit, which I've already done, and then we're gonna take the rest of that lemon juice, pour it in there, and the rest of your cheese, and sprinkle it all over the place. And then we're gonna stir again. That looks pretty good. Ooh, our shrimp looks amazing. Looking good. So we put this in the bowl. Now we're gonna put some shrimp on top. Oh my goodness. This looks amazing. Time to eat. This is super easy. It takes like less than, 15 minutes to make, honestly. It's so easy. Look, the kitchen helper's here to assess the situation. All right. It looks beautiful.
Mm-hmm. I've already been eating it.
I was gonna say, we already know what it tastes like because we've had it before. Mm-hmm. But give them your review.
It's lemony.
Yeah. It's like refreshing. That's how I describe it. It's like, I don't know, it's like refreshing. It's warm, but it's like a refreshing, summery flavor.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, we like it. You're not getting any. Sorry. So like I said, super easy, super refreshing. Modify this any way you want. I like it with shrimp. You could do it with nothing. You could do it with chicken. You could probably do it with tofu if you want to, or just lemony spaghetti. There's nothing wrong with that. Like I said, this probably takes 15 to 20 minutes total to make. Cooking the noodles takes the longest. It's not that hard to do, and no, this doesn't use like any cream or milk in it. I know a lot of the recipes out there do. This one doesn't, and so I feel like it's a little bit lighter. I feel like when you make it with cream and milk, it gives you more of that like Alfredo-y sauce, and that can be a little bit more heavy. So I kind of like this because it's a little bit more refreshing and super easy to make. Like I said, I've made it so many times now, it's crazy. Anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more of our videos, there'll be some up on the screen down in the video description below. As always, you guys, let us know what you want to see us make next. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. Goodbye, audience. Are you mad you didn't get a noodle? Are you mad you get... Okay, you can have a noodle. For Memphis, you got it? You got it? There you go. Noodle. For Eleanor. Whoa, third best kitchen helper just walks in the kitchen. You heard something, didn't you? Nudo, you back up. For Kira. Yeah. Okay, now we're done. Now we're done. Goodbye, audience.